In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize MailChimp emails with first name. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're logged into your dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the main menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you create and manage the emails you want to send to your audience. From the Campaigns area, click Email, and then choose the Regular Email option. A regular email campaign is the standard choice when you want to send a personalized message to your subscribers. After that, enter a campaign name. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. Once that's done, click Begin to move into the email builder. Now you'll be taken to the section where you can select a template. Here, choose the template you want to use for your email. The exact design is up to you, but the important part is that you'll need access to a text block, because that's where you'll add your greeting and personalization. When your template opens, look for the text block in the email layout and click into it so you can edit the content. In that text area, type your greeting first, something simple like "Good day" or any other greeting that fits your message and your brand tone. This is the part your recipients will see before their personalized name appears. Next, click on Merge Tags. In the list of available tags, select First Name. This inserts the personalization field directly into your greeting. So instead of sending the exact same greeting to everyone, MailChimp will automatically pull in each subscriber's first name from your audience data. That means when someone receives your email, their first name will appear right after the greeting, making the message feel much more personal and engaging. It's a simple change, but it can make your emails feel friendlier and more relevant to each person reading them. As a quick tip, make sure your audience has first names saved in their contact details. If that information is missing, the personalization may not appear as expected. So it's always a good idea to review your audience data before sending your campaign. And that's it. Once your greeting and first name merge tag are in place, your MailChimp email is set up to deliver a more personalized experience for every recipient.